Earthquake shakes corporate area, sparks panic and social media frenzy. An earthquake rattled Jamaica's corporate area and surrounding regions on Friday morning, leaving residents in shock and prompting a flurry of reactions on social media. The tremor, which lasted only a few seconds, was enough to cause widespread alarm as people scrambled to confirm their experiences and seek updates on the situation. Panic in the corporate area. In the immediate aftermath of the quake, residents in areas like Pembroke Hall were left reeling. The tremors hit unexpectedly, catching many off guard as they went about their morning routines. "Mercy, Lord," was a common cry, echoing across neighborhoods as people realized what was happening. The sudden jolt led to a mix of panic and confusion, with some residents rushing outside while others took to social media to share their experiences. Social media reactions explode. Twitter quickly became a hub for Jamaicans to express their reactions and seek confirmation about the quake. One Twitter user, still shaken by the event, asked, "Did you feel that?" Their post was quickly met with replies from others who had experienced the tremor. Another user rattled and commented, "Hell of an earthquake." The uncertainty and fear were palpable as people anxiously awaited official reports from the earthquake unit. Official response pending. There has been no official statement from the earthquake unit in Jamaica, leaving many to wonder about the magnitude and potential aftershocks. The lack of immediate information has only added to the tension, as residents remain on edge, waiting for further updates. Stay informed with 876newsja.com. At 876newsja.com, we are committed to keeping you informed about this developing story. Our team closely monitors the situation and will provide updates as soon as more information becomes available. In times like these, staying informed is crucial, and we are here to ensure you have the latest news at your fingertips. What to do after an earthquake? In the meantime, it's important to remember safety protocols following an earthquake. After experiencing a tremor, check for any damage to your home or surroundings. If you suspect structural damage, evacuate the area immediately and contact emergency services. Additionally, be prepared for possible aftershocks, which can occur minutes, hours, or even days after the initial quake. Thank you for choosing 876newsja.com for your news updates. Stay safe, and stay tuned as we bring you the latest on this and other stories affecting Jamaica. An earthquake shook Jamaica's corporate area, causing panic and sparking a social media frenzy. Stay updated with 876newsja.com as we monitor this developing story. Stay tuned to 876newsja.com for continuous updates on this developing story and more as we follow the latest in this shocking series of events. As always, we thank you for choosing us as your trusted news source.